coming up in this episode.
Breakfast and then camels. Why are we going to a restaurant?
We're hoping that we'll be able to use the Wi-Fi and find out how to get there.
So what's happening today?
Breakfast and then camels. I'm having my coffee. And then we're riding camels to the village. It's okay. How's it feel? What are you doing, Ash? How's it feeling? Journeying on, perfumed with praises, seasoned with love, journeying on, through brooding mountains, across burning sands, with perseverance we come. Sam, where are we?
We're in a place called Madaba, which is where we're hoping to stay tonight. We currently don't know how to get to our accommodation.
Great.
So we're just going to go to a restaurant.
Why are we going to a restaurant?
We're hoping that we'll be able to use the Wi-Fi and find out how to get there.
I see.
There are some vegetable things.
Oh, right.
Well, shall we see if we ever do get there?
Let's hope we do.
We have demolished them as far as no far. This is it, wait for it, which extends to Madaba.
What's going on, Asher?
Let's move forward.
I don't think any of us know.
Roger, I can't send the message.
A hotel thing, and apparently there isn't a reception. Man who has come to tell us that another guest, that there isn't one, and that the boss lives at the top of the thing up there. So
And nobody really knows where he is.
we're going to try and get into contact with him and find out the Wi-Fi. So we can't.
Yeah. We can't find the reception. We don't know how to get it. There are loads of doors, most of them are locked. On this one, it's a furniture shop. But still there's no one there. So we're not really sure what to do.
Important to bear in mind, we're going to end in the gift shop. And what are you going to buy in the gift shop? Oh.
There's a big. Step back, step back, step back.